Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best brown flip-flops for women that perfectly combine fashion and function, the Coface Women's Fashion Orthotic Flip-Flops. These aren't your average summer sandals. Let's break down why they might just be your next favorite pair. Imagine stepping into a flip-flop that feels like you're walking on clouds. That's exactly what Coface offers with these lightweight, yoga mat cushion sandals. Whether you're strolling through the park, heading to brunch, or walking the dog, these flip-flops are designed to deliver all-day comfort without compromising on style. The first thing you'll notice is the design. The brown faux leather strap brings a chic, versatile look that can pair well with just about any summer outfit, from jeans and tanks to flowy dresses. The style is dressy enough to wear to casual gatherings but relaxed enough for everyday errands. But the real magic lies in the footbed. Built with soft memory foam and EVA sole materials, these flip-flops offer a cushioned experience from heel to toe. The heel cup adds extra support and stability, making every step feel secure. Whether you're standing for hours or just going about your day, the design helps reduce foot fatigue significantly. Now let's talk about arch support, because that's where these flip-flops shine. They're equipped with orthopedic-grade, bionic arch support specifically tailored for women who suffer from plantar fasciitis or general foot discomfort. The structure helps improve your gait and alleviates stress on your heels and lower back. You're not just wearing a sandal, you're giving your feet real, lasting support. The sole is crafted from durable rubber, giving excellent grip while keeping the overall feel light and airy. The slip-on design makes them easy to throw on and off, so they're perfect for quick errands or spontaneous summer adventures. The material holds up well under regular use and keeps looking fresh thanks to its faux leather finish. For those of you who care about versatility and sizing, you'll be pleased to know they're available in sizes ranging from 5 to 11. So chances are, you'll find the perfect fit for your feet. So here's the bottom line. The Coface Women's Fashion Orthotic Flip-Flops aren't just another cute sandal. They're a smart investment in your comfort, posture, and everyday wellness, while still keeping your summer look on point. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to treat your feet to something truly supportive and stylish, these might just be the best brown flip-flops women can own this season. See you in the next review.